Hello everyone, welcome back again. Storage and organization of kids' stationery can be a daunting task. So today in this video, I am going to share with you some simple functional storage solution ideas of how you can effectively tackle the stationery mess. So today let's organize. Let's get started. First idea is to store in this kind of storage box. These storage box comes in various sizes. In this storage box, you can easily organize your pencils, pens and all other stationery items. You can label it and organize. These storage boxes are available in all the places. You can segregate the items and you can organize. Now let's move to the second method. Take a box, an empty box. You can also use the shoe box and arrange the empty glasses on it. Stick with the use of fevicols or with a glue gun. After that, segregate the items and arrange in this way. You can also reuse waste tape roll for keeping the sharpener and eraser. In this way also, you can organize the stationery with no wastage of money. Now third one is, you can also store in this DIY plastic bottle. You can check the above iCard for this tutorial. This is also a zero wastage of money. Now the fourth one is KonMari method. For this you need a empty box and the cardboard. First take the measurement and make a divider by using the cardboard. Later on stick it with the help of fevicol, or you can also use the glue gun. You can also store this box inside the drawer. To see more attractive, you can also cover this with a color paper with any gift wrapper. Now arrange them in a different compartments. So these are some DIY stationery organization. Hope you like this. Now this is the organizer where I store all my kids' stationeries. I labeled and used to store all the labeled items in the particular drawer. This organizer I bought from hypermarket. This comes in various sizes too. This is really very helpful to store all the stationeries and other stuffs in one place. Apart from these stationery items, I also used to keep all other stuffs like terracotta, paints and beads all in this organizer. So that's it friends. These are some stationery organization ideas. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then do like, do share and do subscribe to my channel. We'll see you soon with more such organization video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.